Hey, good morning, guys. This is Blaine with Stocks for Beer Trading, and today I'm looking at stocks on watch here for Friday, November the 30th. First one up, KERX. Looks good on the daily chart. Might break out over about 308 here, the high from back in October. So if it can bust through that, I think this probably goes higher. Still has a gap to fill if you look back at the 1 year chart. I mean, it's got a gap to fill towards about $5, but don't expect it all at once. But I think this still can go higher from here. AUCR, crazy run on Thursday. Watch for it to get back through 2. If it can do that, then it might get another push out of it. CIEN, looking for the break over 15. Nice little, I would consider this a head and bottom, inverse head and bottom shoulders here. Um, Looking for the break over 15 to get a push towards maybe 1650 or so. CWTR, kind of the same thinking as CLSN the other day when it ran. It had that nice spike, and then so basically looking for the gap up, and then be looking to short it. CLSN is down about $1 from there, and CLSN might actually bounce today, but for CWTR, I'm looking for the short side if we get a quick gap up and spike, and then I'll be looking to take it short. PRKR, nice breakout over 2 on Thursday. Next test here is just trying to come out of this downtrend from starting back in July, so if it can do that, then this might even be worth swinging for a few days to see if it can head back towards 280. EDMC, nice bottom chart here. If it breaks 4, it has room to 5 and 560. This is perfect consolidation. It's been consolidating all the way since August, so 4 months of just nothing but pretty much sideways movement between $3 and $4, and it's finally going to test this $4 range. If it gets through that $4, then watch for a breakout and volume to come in and take it higher. CHTP is trying to break this 170 level. I mentioned that it could go the other day. It still didn't really do anything with it until yesterday, so I think this probably can get some action here today if the volume comes in. That's going to be the biggest key there, is if the buyers bring in the volume and start to push it higher, then the momentum should carry it back up to test these highs. DVR, this is another bottom chart, looks pretty good here. The big test was 150, and it broke through that on Thursday. I'm thinking this probably goes higher, maybe back towards 180, with your stop loss being, somewhere below 150 in case it fails. CBIS, I banked 72% on this last run, so if it gets back through 6, I wouldn't be surprised to see it get another push. However, I don't really expect 9 this time. The volume's just not the same yet, I guess. Um, but I mean, it might get 7 or 8 cents out of it. TRTC volume has been increasing lately. It looks like it's ready for another leg higher towards 50 or even 60. So just keep this in mind. It's really trying to break that point. So if you really want to gamble play, this might be it with the stop loss in case this range here doesn't act as support. So around 44. So yeah, right around 44-ish. If that doesn't hold up, then that's probably your stop limit there. Just 3 cents to the downside is all your risks, and then maybe 10 cents, 20 cents to the upside is your potential gain. So I think that's a decent trade there if you want to take it. SRGE, been on a huge run since September. It might even have one more push in it. If it gets back to this 0.014 spot, then who knows, maybe it'll test these highs again towards 2 cents. But risky is all get out because this is already up huge. So and it can have some pretty dang strong down days. So just play with money you can afford to lose if you're going to gamble on this thing, and just be smart about it. But like I said, if it breaks 0.014, then it probably heads back towards 2 cents. Anyway, there you go. There's some stocks to watch for Friday the 30th. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the chat room.